Look at this. It's basically a big fucking refrigerator. And they're all these tracks, and that's just half of it right there. And I mean, it's more than just drinks and candy. They got like basic everyday grocery items in there too. But anyways, I've already got the items chosen. Let me swipe my card here. Get this thing to working. No. Let's see. Here we go. Here's the thing in action. I got the orange juice. It comes back down here. Comes out through this little delivery chute. Then I got a candy bar with it too, so here it goes again. And here it goes again through the delivery bin.